Justin Bailey here, and I have a question for you. Are you currently frustrated with your department's training program? Because all of us, no matter whether you're a career, volunteer, large, small, urban, or rural, has one thing in common, and that is that we all have to train. And not everybody's training is the same. Some departments prioritize it and try to focus in on it. Some departments may find things a little lacking, either due to financial restraints or personnel, even. The thing that is very common for all of us is that our community expects the best service. So, April 15th at 8 o'clock, I am going to talk in my class, Prioritizing Your Department's Training Program, where we'll discuss certain topics, such as how to make training a priority in your personal life, how to make your department's training a priority for your department and your admin, how to select a training officer, how to just develop a training calendar and a basic training culture. Within the topic, we'll also talk about your personal responsibility and how to make that training environment a personal priority for you. Please join me April 15th, FDIC 2024 in Indianapolis, Indiana.